Here's a quick guide on how to join two nodes together on Affinity Designer for the iPad. Here I've drawn a curve, but it's actually two curves. We'll just go into the layers palette. You'll see two different layers making up the two halves of the curve. Let's just click on one and click on the other. Let's just click on both, pick them both up, and we're going to just zoom into, that's the node where they join. I'm just going to come up here and click on join. And then when we go back into the layers palette, you'll see that's all now one continual curve. And if we go to the move tool, it's all on one layer. And if we just go back, I'll just undo that to show you the difference. And if you found this video helpful, give me a like and please do consider subscribing. Check out my homepage for more videos like this one.